Hey, Fayette County, Georgia homeowners, here is your market update for March of 2022. You may have heard that interest rates have gone past 5%, and some are expecting it to go up to 6% by the end of the year. But the numbers that I'm sharing with you today do not reflect those numbers yet, and I will tell you a little later on what I am expecting based on projections by experts in the field. So in March of 2022, we had 187 homes come on the market. That was 5% more than last month and 11.1% less than the year before. 171 homes got a contract. 187 homes sold, which was up 5% over the month before. It was also up 2% over March of 2021. The average sales price in March of 2022 was $446,303. That was actually 5.6% down from February of 2022 and up 0.7% over the year before. The median sales price of $420,000 was 3.7% over the list price. That means that around the median price point, you are expecting to pay 3.7% more than the list price. That $420,000 was actually down 1.2% over February, but it was up a whopping 7.7% over March of 2021. Interest rates have passed 5% over the last week, and they are expected to increase to perhaps 6% by the end of the year. That is what some lenders are telling me. So what does that mean when you're buying a house? What is this going to do to housing prices? First off, there is still a lot of demand for housing, and there is hardly any inventory. So the supply and demand looks like that will continue to drive up the home values. Now, it is not going to be as steep as it's been over the last year, because that frankly was unsustainable. So we are looking to see the housing prices to flatten out a little bit. The increase is not going to be as steep, but the experts are still expecting an average of 6.1% increase over the next year or so. But with interest rate increasing, that means that buying a house, not only is the value getting higher, your payments are increasing too. So it is getting more expensive to buy a house, which means that some people are getting priced out of the market, which is a shame, especially at the lower price points where investment companies are still buying up a lot of homes. And since they are working with cash, interest rates do not make a big difference for them, and they are hedging against inflation because housing is always the safe bet when inflation starts to get up there. So if you've been thinking about buying a house, sooner is better than later, because if you wait, this really might cost you. With some people expecting interest rates to be at 6% by the end of the year and home prices still increasing, you're going to get hit by a double whammy if you wait very long. When you're ready, give me a call. I'm Daphne Bousquet with eXp Realty, and my contact information and a link to start looking for homes right now is in the description. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel because new videos come out every Monday. I'll see you next week.